Fancy ice cream bowl set with tray and spoons. 13-piece chocolate ice cream bowl set. Elegant dessert serving. This beautiful set is designed to add elegance and functionality to your dessert table, making every ice cream experience truly special. 13 pieces total. Includes 6 elegant glass bowls, 6 matching spoons, and a stylish black tray. The classic round bowls allow the vibrant colors and textures of your desserts to shine. Built to last with strong glass construction, this set is perfect for serving large portions of ice cream, sorbets, or other desserts. A sleek and modern tray that keeps everything organized and adds sophistication to your table setting. Whether you're hosting a party, entertaining guests, or enjoying a quiet dessert night at home, this set is versatile and practical. Crafted with convenience in mind, this set is simple to clean and maintain.